We turn now to some new concerns on the health of the nation's economy. All eyes on Wall Street this morning after its worst day in more than a month, driven by some new data showing a rise in foreclosures and also the reported plans of another major American company to slash thousands of jobs. Here to break it all down for us is NBC's senior business correspondent, Christine Romans. Christine, yesterday, Dow, NASDAQ, S&P 500, all down. Do we know what drove the dip?
Look, some cracks in the armor of the mighty American stock market. Those were pretty big losses for the day. But let's put it in perspective and step back. You've had a really good year. You've had stocks up pretty significantly, driven by the AI boom, which has really fueled this rise in these tech stocks. And yesterday, tech stocks were the biggest decliners there overall. Just some concerns about the economy, about those foreclosures, about layoffs. We've seen corporate layoffs again and again and again. So just some, again, I would say cracks in the armor of what has been a very strong economy and what has been a very strong job market.
And yesterday it was Verizon that announced, I think, 15,000 jobs.
Yeah, reports that there will be more job cuts at Verizon there, those office corporate job cuts. We've seen it at a lot of different companies as well.
And the government shutdown may be over, but the after effects for the months to come?
Yeah, you're still kind of like driving through a fog here. And one of the concerns is that without all of this important real economic data from the government, and Carolyn Levitt yesterday suggested that some of those numbers that weren't compiled during the shutdown may never be compiled. What does that mean for the Federal Reserve? The stock market had been banking on the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates again in December. That might not happen, especially if we just don't really know what's happening under the hood of the American economy because of the shutdown and those numbers that aren't coming out or that will come out late. So maybe there's less of a chance that the Fed cuts interest rates in December, and the stock market didn't like that either. We've got futures down again this morning, so we'll watch very carefully to see what happens today in the stock market.
Christine Romans,
nice
thank you. Good to see you.
Guys.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.